Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andy. So today is going to be a different video. I was going to be doing my get ready with me using Shop My Stash products and also the Deck of Scarlet. But I've done a couple of like neutral eyeshadow looks the past couple of days and I didn't really want to do that again, so I don't know when that get ready with me using Shop My Stash products is going to go up. I might leave that particular palette in for another week because there's only one other palette of the Deck of Scarlets, and then I can kind of form my own opinions and see if I want to declutter any. So today I thought we would have a little bit of fun with this Makeup Obsession one. It's the Sweet Like Candy palette and I have been chomping at the bit to actually get into this all week, but because we've been using the Huda Mercury Retrograde as well as this, sorry, we haven't been using this yet, this has been in the Shop My Stash as well. This is the only day and we're on Saturday now, so I want to do 3 days free looks with it, so that will take us to Monday. So the Shop My Stash won't be going up on Monday, I don't think, unless I decide to put 2 videos up on the same day. If not, I'll put the Shop My Stash up on Tuesday again. So this is what it looks like. The inner packaging represents the outer packaging, and then look how stunning that is. The paper's still on it. I've not done any swatches or anything, so it is going to be first impressions. I'm going to take the paper off. Right, so that's what it looks like. OMG, it's so pretty. So I think what we're going to do is work on row 1 today, and then tomorrow we'll do row 2, and then on Monday we'll do row 3, just like we did with the Sunshine Makes Me Happy. The only thing is with that is there is only one matte shade, which is called Candy Floss. Let's go in with that. We can also put a little bit shimmer on, like kind of like on the outer V and through the crease a little bit, but let's see what this looks like. So it is quite pigmented on the brush. Oh, I'm jumping way ahead of myself. What I need to do first is go into my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. I'm just using, I think it's white chocolate, and I'm gonna just set this base I've got on. I really don't like it, guys. I say this in every single video, and I hate dissing products, but it's not a good base, and that's why I use this white chocolate shade, just to kind of give the other eyeshadows something to adhere to. Right, so that's it, just that one shade from the Too Faced Chocolate Bar, and then we're going to go back in with that cargo brush. Still got the eyeshadow on, so might have to really build it up. And I got 3 of these new ones. I've now got 4 of these Makeup Obsession palettes. And the purple one is the one that I wanted the most, so I needed to pull this one out to see how it looked. And I think I'm gonna kind of like put it quite high up, this Candy Floss shade. Sorry about my phone, it just keeps buzzing. After this video I need to do my project pan update, because we are on the 1st of August and it's late going up, so I don't know. It's going to be sometime next week by the time it goes up, because I want this look to go up first. Right, so now we're going to go into the other eye. That's like a pinky lilac shade. Right, so now this is where we're going to struggle. So we've got two shimmers on the top row. That one's called Bubblegum, and then the silver shade is called Lollipop. Let's try putting some Bubblegum in the outer V and see how that performs. It's not really doing much. Yeah, it's not really doing much at all. So I guess it's going to be a really simple eye look then. No, it's not doing much at all. Let me get my accent brush. Right, so I'm just going again in with Bubblegum to put that all over the lid. Start here. It's not as pigmented as the Sunshine Makes Me Happy palette, which is a little bit sad. Right, let's also put Lollipop, which is the silver in the inner corners. See how that performs. I'm just going to go in with the other side of the brush. That seems a bit smoother. It's very chunky. Right, I think we're going to need setting spray. Let me just go and get some. Right, so I've got my setting spray. Go in with a purple. Can you see with the silver just how chunky it is? It's going on slightly better now that my brush is a little bit damp. I mean, it's a lovely purple shade. See if it will go on even better with my finger. I was just hoping it was going to be like the Sunshine Makes Me Happy one. That one was just so pretty and so nice. But this one, the eyeshadows just feel rougher in texture. Right, so that's what it's looking like. It's not looking too bad. So let's spray the other side of the brush and go in with a silver. I'm putting the silver on the inner corner as well. It is quite nice, but yeah, they're just not as pigmented as I would like. So let's again spritz. Is it? Yeah, I need to spritz it again. And go in with the silver shade first, which is Lollipop. And then we're going to go in with Bubblegum. I mean, you can't really complain for £5, but I just thought it would be a bit better than it is. I hope I get the other palettes that I bought to work better than this one. Right, it's still very sheer even though I've wet my brush, so I'm going to go in with my finger again. and it does look pretty, even though I'm struggling to get the shades to work. I should have bought that Juvia's Place palette instead. You know, the violets. I probably will at some point, but yeah, I do like it. It's just a little bit high maintenance. So let's zoom out for a second. Right, so that really is the look. It's just a really simple eye look. So let's go in now with the mascara and eyeliner if I can find it. Right, so I've got my mascara. I don't know where the eyeliner is. I'm supposed to be panning. Oh, right, so I don't know where I left this video, oh yeah, I think it was, I can't find the eyeliner, but I found it, and I've found the mascara, and obviously the light's back on now because that went off. So let's tightline with the Too Faced Love eyeliner. That's part of Project Pan. Put mascara on. Right, and then we're going to put something on the lash line. Really, the only thing we can put on is the Candy Floss shade here, so we're probably going to have to really build it up. So let me get my brush. I'm going to try this Real Techniques. I think it's a shading brush. Yeah, it is. So we're just going to go in with Candy Floss again. That's alright. Right, and then it's just lipstick. Oh, I've got an itchy ear. We're going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury. I think it's Miranda May, yeah. So it's just a really nice, pretty, like, coral shade. And I don't really wear the shade too much. I only bring it out for summer, but this is what the look looks like. I really like it. Straight off the bat, as you probably are aware of, I do like the Sunshine Makes Me Happy better, just off the one eyeshadow look. But tomorrow we're going to be going in with these darker shades here in the middle, so I might feel like I like them. In each row there is only one matte shade. That is kind of a flaw to it, I guess. But yeah guys, this is the video, and this is the Sweet Like Candy palette by Makeup Obsessions. I hope you've enjoyed the video and the demo. Please like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. That would mean the absolute world to me. Share and comment, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.